Hey, that's me, Daniel, aka Mamba. I've got an unhealthy obsession with budgie smugglers. And that's Maddie. She's pretty special to me. Earlier this year, we travelled to Vietnam for the first time, trekking in the north, riding motorcycles through central, and enjoying the beaches in the south. Check out our journey to see why you should visit this beautiful country yourself. So we've kicked off the start of our adventure in the beautiful northern region of Sapa. 2.5 days of transit, but here's what the trek looks like. How are we doing?
Great.
Good form.
Up in the clouds.
Up in the... I missed that. I flipped over you again. Damn it.
It's got like swaddled by those girls to buy stuff.
That's the one.
200 dong.
That's what I'm talking about. When your girlfriend's secretly the Hulk. Look at that. Look at that. Why are you so mad? What did I do wrong, Maddie?
You nearly pushed me off the bridge.
Yeah, fair call. I'd love some Pringles. What flavour?
Yep.
Do we have pizza? Oh my god.
Very cheesy.
Very cheesy. He's coming through with the goods. Oh yeah, we've got 2 Melissas in the group. That's Melissa 1. That's Melissa number 2. So after a day of motorcycle avoidances, swindled sales by 11-year-old girls, and green hands, pretty DED dead. It looks like we made it. Here we go. We made it! Woo! Hey. We made it. What's just happened?
We made it to the top.
Oh, you better believe it. All the way up.
All the way up.
I feel like an absolute towel right now. Suma's made us useless and unfit foreigners through nearly 30 kilometres of beautiful Sapa landscape. How are we feeling?
Say
boy.
Hi, say hi. No, I'm too rich.
She's too rich. Yeah, you're not the only one. Well done, crew. So, part 2 of the adventure. Stops at a fishing village as part of a motorcycle tour. Speaking of, that might be our crew just over there.
There's the big boys!
They're the big boys over there. Guys from Easy Rider, they help take care of you on a bike between major cities in Vietnam.
Hoi and Hoi An.
And that's what we're doing today. And these are our 2 very trusty drivers. You guys want to introduce yourself? Yeah, you can. Alright, you might be able to dance better than me. Unbelievable. I'm Tan over there and Lai just there. Where's the next stop? Elephant Fork?
Elephant waterfall?
Elephant waterfall.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Alright, let's do it. Yeah! So we're currently at the Elephant Falls, renowned because of that carved rock over there. It looks like an elephant. Cannot fully capture just how fresh that water is. Oh yeah, we just finished up at Elephant Falls. A very, very refreshing swim. Feeling very good. Where's the next spot?
Beautiful.
To the next one.
There we go. Beach town. Where are we at? You better believe it.
Would highly recommend.
Would highly recommend. Unless we crash from here. But even if we crash, I think like my sentiment's too high. What's that next and last stop?
High Van Pass.
High Van Pass. Coming to you.
I swear I won't expect too much. Won't go and drag us through the mud. But I think that's
We have just started the High Van Pass. Made famous by the Top Gear guys a few years ago. Beautiful scenic stretch.
I swear I saw you flicker. I swear I saw you. I swear I saw you. I swear I saw you flicker. I swear I saw you.
Whole lot of fun. Oh boy, thank you. Oh, that looks awesome. Maddie, I can't wait to show you. Yeah. 2 hours later.
Official touchdown in QUOC. Here we go. Maddie is just flooring and whipping little Honda High we've got for the day. If you're on QUOC, it's probably the best way to get around. Costs us only $12 to hire for a day. Petrol's probably going to take us the whole way there. Just play it safe and you should be alright, even if you've never driven a motorcycle or a scooter. As you can see, Maddie's absolutely whipping us to the old Sow Beach, which is divine. Touch base with you when we're there.
Sow Beach. One of those white sand, crystal blue water dreams that you see in plenty of those holiday videos growing up. We actually had no idea that Vietnam had this on offer. So whilst we did make a huge hike away from the main beach out in that distance, it was absolutely worth it because this is all ours. Wow, that looked amazing.
This beautiful beach here, but there's just rubbish everywhere. And even like you put the goggles on and you see shoes, you see wood, you see plastic in the ocean, and it's just heartbreaking. It's a big problem.
So if you are traveling here, please try to do your part and hold on to your rubbish. It might feel like it's not having a big impact, but
Every little bit counts.
every little bit counts. I think it also makes us appreciate just how solid environmental sustainability is back in our country. I don't even know what to call that.
Banana, I think it's banana.
And there's just 4 blokes riding it. Not making the video! Anyway. Cool.
In loving memory of Charmaine.